DJI recently announced the sequel to the immensely popular Mavic Pro, and it seems that the new version has almost everything a Mavic fan could want. The new Mavic 2 comes in two variants, the Pro, which has a Hasselblad camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, and a zoom version, which as you may have guessed comes with an optical zoom lens mounted in front of a 1/2.3-inch sensor. Pro and Zoom are identical, apart from cameras and gimbals, and both versions of Mavic 2 enhance Mavic's original specifications in almost every respect, from image quality to obstacle avoidance. But all this technology is not cheap. With $1,249 for the Zoom or $1,449 for the Pro model, the Mavic 2 may be too expensive to match the popularity of the original Mavic that cost only $999 at launch. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is an exceptional drone and a worthy successor to the original. The Hasselblad camera produces stellar images, and makes it a solid choice for those looking for 4-level phantom shots with Mavic portability. It's a lot more expensive than the previous version, but the value can be even better this time. However, I would not recommend the Mavic 2 for everyone. The lack of Wi-Fi connectivity can be a decisive factor for certain people. If you do not need all the new features, there are less expensive drones with similar designs and capabilities, but none of them is as robust and complete as the Mavic 2 Pro. The DJI Mavic 2 Zoom may not have the same image quality as the Pro, but the Zoom makes flying a marvel and has some interesting features that are not available in the Pro. It is also less expensive than the Pro, but not for a lot. It's still a significant update to Mavic's previous models, but if you do not need all the new features and performance improvements, or if you need Wi-Fi, you might want to take a look at the much less expensive Mavic Air.